This is a 2010 Forester, and this thingy doesn't work. This thing, you can feel it going from hot to cold, but this just, it feels just like something, like the cable fell off. So we're gonna take this apart and see why this cable is falling off. So in order to get to here, this piece has got to come off. This plastic piece, get a, you know, a clip remover or panel popper and pop this piece off. It's held on by these guys. And then you got one screw here, Phillips screwdriver. Pull this thing out, and then this guy should see that release. It's on clips, so don't just yank on it, you will break it. It's stuck right there. Probably good to take this cover surround off so you can see what's going on. Probably not a good tool to use. What do you know? Came out without even doing that. So this piece pops out. Yeah, those things, but this thing pops out. You're better off using some of these guys so you don't nick up your, they make plastic ones of these. Here. But this thing popped out. It's all on just clip system, so pretty easy to come out. I'll show you guys what's going on. This job may be easier than it looks. Let's see if the vent piece comes out. Pull this guy out. You see how that's pushing that back and forth, the cable? I'll turn it the other way. That opens the vent from the, you know, back, forward, or where to blow air from. It feels very loose. Feel this side? Feel like you're pushing something, right?
Yes.
From hot to cold, so you're opening up the vent door for hot to cold. So the problem isn't from here. This wire that goes back to the vent system, it's probably fallen off or broken or something. So the problem isn't from here, so we don't have to take any of this apart. But if it was the problem from here, this just, it pops out with a bunch of clips. Panel popper, we're going to pop that side panel off. Let me pull this out of the way for you. A couple screws there. It's on clips, so be very careful. Voila.
There you go.
There's a couple plugs for these guys on the back side. You can see, go ahead and unplug those. Okay, move this out of the way. You see it?
Yeah.
This right here? Mm-hmm. This is off that door back here. So we just need to put it back on the door. This yellow cable is what is, it's popped out of its clip. See, now when I turn this, see how it's moving up and down? You see it?
Oh, yeah.
That's what the problem was. This clip had popped out and it fell off the thing. Nothing's broken, just fell out. I don't know why, but it works just fine. That's how you do it. Put it back in. It's got a little nozzle thing, so make sure you're not putting it upside down. I gotta put the vent thingy's gotta go back on both sides. One more time. There we go.
Thing goes in there.
I know. I want to make sure that we get all the vents. Make sure you see how the vents go inside each other. We want to make sure that that's that, so we don't cause a problem. What? Put this screw back in. Cover. It's just with clips. Sometimes these little yellow guys pop out, but you can just pull them out and put it back in. It's just a snap deal. This all clips back in. Put the screws back in. Make sure you don't have anything left over. stuff should go back in really easy. And then this side's complete. We gotta go to the other side. First things first, plug all the plugs back in. They're all fit to size, so you can't go wrong. Make sure you get all the it should snap on without any problems. You got the Phillips screwdriver and 2 screws on that side.
One right here. Oops. Push in this place.
There you go. You can feel it.
Ice cold.
Well, it's not ice cold yet, but I mean it's blowing for the front, and now it stopped blowing. So now we know this is working.